What's up, team? It's time for another tutorial video. It's April week 3, which means we're gonna be working on a parry and also the high cover. Alright team, so for the drills that we're working on right now, I want you to remember something. If you use your left hand to parry, the next thing you should do is cross, hook, cross. If you use your right hand to parry, the next thing you should do is hook, cross, hook. So if you think of the pattern like this, hook, cross, hook, cross, hook, cross, or maybe it goes cross, hook, cross, hook, cross, hook. You do 3 punches in a row, and hooks go with the left, and crosses go with the right. So if you parry with the right, the next move is not going to be a cross because you're already using your right hand. The next move will be a hook. And what's the pattern look like? We do a cross, and then another hook. Now, what if I were to do a parry with my left arm? Well, I can't do a hook afterwards because my left arm is being used for the parry. So I have to use my right arm to punch next. And what punch goes with the right arm? Cross. Then the pattern, you know how it works. Hook, cross. So left parry, it goes cross, hook, cross. Right parry, it goes hook, cross, hook. That way we're using our hands like this. Left hand, then right hand, then left hand, then right hand. The next move we're going to practice is called the high cover. Now, when we were working on parries, it was when someone was punching straight at your face. They were punching straight at your face. And of course, we had to make the right decision with which hand we're going to parry with. But now we're working on the high cover. When would you ever use a high cover? Well, there are 2 reasons that you would use a high cover. If someone was to come from the side and hit you like this, you would cover that part of your head. The way a high cover works is that you protect the side of your head like this. You put this part of your hand across this part of your head, and the other part of your arm covers this part of you. So watch, we make a triangle, and it protects just like this. So if I were to swing my arm and whack you like this, you would instantly. Also, look how my elbow is pointing straight forward. In Muay Thai kickboxing, which is a style of martial arts that comes from Thailand, they would use the high cover not only to protect from a hit, but they would use their elbow and boom, come in at the same time. They would protect their head and also hit their opponent with an elbow so strong it could cause a cut. The same rules apply when it comes to the counter punches after the high cover. If I'm going to high cover with this arm, which is my right, I'm going to come back with a hook, cross, hook. And if I were to high cover with this arm, which is my left, I would come back with a cross, hook, cross. And if you remember that, it'll help you create a great habit, and you'll always know what punch to use right after you protect yourself. All right, here's your mission. In the description, I'm going to post a ninja scavenger hunt. The ninja scavenger hunt involves you using the left parry, the left high cover, and the right high cover with the counter punches. You guys got to get really good at this. Now, we're not just punching in the air like cardio kickboxing. That'll help us get into good shape, help us work on our techniques, but we got to be able to hit targets. So I want you to practice hitting pillows, professional martial arts targets. Use old boxes. If you guys are shipping things from like Amazon or online companies, you can cut a piece of a box out and use that as the target to hit. And I want you to practice actually hitting the targets. Squeeze your fists real tight. Use the flat part of your hand when you punch, this big knuckle right there. Make sure you're hitting with that part every time you punch. Then when you hook punch, it comes around and you hit with the side of your knuckle right here, but keep your wrist straight. Remember, black belts never hide their thumbs, so we got to make sure that we have a tight fist. So we have high cover, hook, cross, or we have high cover, cross, hook, cross. Left hand is for the hook, right hand is for the cross. Now I want you to practice this as much as you can, and when you see the next tutorial video next week, it's going to be all about building a combo so that you're punching like a professional boxer.